What is a tune-up? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. To be honest, on our modern vehicles, there really is no such thing as a tune-up. My grandfather told me that back in the 20s, they had ignition coils on the Model A's or T's, I believe, that they actually made a humming noise, and you literally tuned the coils so they all sounded the same. Then as we moved along, we got into the 60s and 70s, we had a carburetor and a distributor and points, and what we did was we adjusted ignition timing and fuel mixtures and things like that, kind of like an instrument. We made adjustments on everything so they worked in harmony with each other, like tuning something. But now everything's computer controlled. There's really not much for us to tune, so now we just do maintenance like spark plug replacements, filter replacements, and removing carbon buildup and things like that. Hope this has answered your question, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.